Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 3rd of November, 2023. The equity benchmark extended the gains for the second day on November the 3rd, 19,200 amid positive global cues, some good sets of September quarter numbers, and buying across the sectors. At close, the Sensex was up 282.88 points, or 0.44% at 64,363.78, and the Nifty was up 97.30 points, or 0.51% at 19,230.60. Apollo Hospitals, Adani Ports, Eicher Motors, LTI Mindtree and Titan Company were among the major gainers on the Nifty, while the big losers were Bajaj Finserv, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, SBI Life Insurance, IndusInd Bank and Tata Steel. Talking about the corporate segment, we have KPI Green Energy gained 5% on November 3rd after the company's subsidiary bagged orders for solar power projects. Sundrops Energia Private Limited, a wholly owned solar power subsidiary of the company, received orders for 5.70 megawatt solar power projects under the captive power producer segment. With the addition, the cumulative orders for solar power projects under CPP segment crossed 112 megawatts, the company said. The projects are to be completed in the financial year 2023 to 24 in various tranches. Shares of ARVIND Fashion jumped 5% as the fashion player entered into a share purchase agreement with Reliance Beauty and Personal Care, who will acquire ARVIND beauty brands. ARVIND Fashions will sell and transfer the entire equity stake in ARVIND beauty brands to Reliance Beauty and Personal Care, a wholly owned subsidiary of Reliance Retail Ventures, for a purchase consideration of 99.02 rupees crore. However, the transaction was completed at an enterprise value of 216 rupees crore, which would go towards the sale of the entire equity stake as well as repayment of outstanding loans. RATNAMANI Metals and Tubes surged nearly 6% to hit a 52-week high of 2,984.05 rupees in the early trade on November 3rd as investors cheered the company's robust performance in the September quarter of the current financial year. The company's net profit soared 66.3% on year to 164.30 rupees crore. The strong bottom line was aided by a healthy top line, which grew 25.7% to 1,131.2 rupees crore. Volumes were also sharply higher, as 1 lakh shares had changed hands against the 1-month daily traded average of 48,000. JK LAKSHMI Cement jumped nearly 8% on November 3rd, a day after reporting a 55% on-year growth in consolidated profit at 96 rupees crore for the July-September quarter of the current financial year. The gains were driven by higher volume, better product and sales mix and a reduction in fuel costs, the company said in a filing on November 2nd. Revenue increased 14.6% to 1,574.5 rupees crore, with sales volume rising 13.8% to 28.78 lakh tons. Shares of Container Corporation of India jumped more than 4% in trade on November 3rd post registering a 21.8% on-year growth in consolidated profits at 481.76 rupees crore. The consolidated net profit of Container Corporation of India jumped 21.8% on year to 481.76 rupees crore in the second quarter of the fiscal year 2023 to 24. Quarter 2 financial year 2024, according to the financial results declared by the public sector company on November 2nd. In the year-ago period, Concor had reported a net profit of 303.8 rupees crore. Sequentially, the profit after tax has increased in the September 2023 quarter, as it stood at 252.55 rupees crore in Quarter 1 financial year 2024. Concor's Quarter 2 revenues rose 10.5% year-on-year to 2,194.87 rupees crore, due to a 26.13% year-on-year growth in domestic volumes in the September quarter. Industrial Investment Trust Limited in daily time frame is trading around 177.10 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.476 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 147.60, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76. Hind Rectifiers Limited in daily time frame is trading around 593.85 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 283.0 for 1,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 479.75, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 83.09. Asain's Chemex Care Limited in daily time frame is trading around 33.05 points with a change of 18.04% and is trading with a net volume of around 237,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 29.40, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 63.86. For the stock recommendation we have, UPL looks good and can be bought at 551, keeping a stop loss of 536 rupees and a target of 567. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.